Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss that is highly relevant in 2023. We are going to deliver reason why should you learn Java this year. So whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting a coding journey, this video is for you. Let's start with our first segment, the power of Java. Java has been a cornerstone of programming for decades, and its relevance continues to grow. It is a versatile language that is used in a wide range of applications, from web development to mobile app development. Learning Java can open up world of career possibilities. In 2023, there is a high demand for Java developers, and companies are actively seeking professionals who can work with this language. It is a skill that can significantly boost your employability. Now let's talk about compatibility. Java write once and run anywhere philosophy make it incredibly valuable. You can develop Java application that can work seamlessly on a different platform, which save times and resources. In our fourth segment, robust and secures, we will discuss why the Java is known for its reliability and security. Its robustness ensures that applications perform well under various conditions, while its security features protect your code and data. Last but not least, let's explore the thriving community of a Java developer. Java has a vast and supportive community that is always ready to help. You can find resources, forums, and tutorials online, making your learning journey smoother. To wrap things up, learning Java in 2023 is a smart choice. It is a popular language with the numerous job opportunities, cross-platform compatibility, robustness, and thriving community. So whether you are aiming for a new career or looking to expand your coding skills, Java is a way to go. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Goodbye and see you in the next video.